cancelled the dinner. We have cancelled the send-off. So we are sorry about that, and we sincerely apologize. But we are saying, let's enjoy ourselves. The dinner is on. The send-off is hereby cancelled. So can we start serving? Our VIPs will come in and we interact with them. Bob will entertain us as much as he can. And we are going to have our dinner as planned. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.